Well, in the meantime, there are back-to-back updates that are now coming in, which is now been stirring up in Kolkata, with BJP and Congress's Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary taking on Mamata Banerjee. The protest in the face-off that is all set to continue. Sabyasachi joining us right now. Sabyasachi, yesterday's 12-hour-long Bangla Bandh that had been called in, the Congress is also expected to register its protest. How are we looking at as far as the political developments in the state of West Bengal is concerned?
Well, see, the Congress under the leadership of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is all set to carry out a protest rally here in the city of Kolkata. The rally is set to begin from College Square and head towards Sham Bazar Mode, which is in close proximity to the RJ Gaur Medical College and Hospital. See, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary time and again has been blaming the state machinery in the RJ Gaur horror case. On the other hand, the BJP in the coming days will continue its protest against the state machinery. In fact, the BJP has planned to get out the state Commission wing office, and the BJP has threatened that they would put a lock outside the State Commission office here in Kolkata because it has completely failed to provide any sort of service to the women of the state of West Bengal. On the other hand, the BJP will continue its agitation. Yesterday itself, be it Shukanto Majumdar or Suvendu Adhikari, all of them have said that the BJP will continue its agitation against the state machinery in different form of protest that would take place not only in Kolkata but in various districts in the coming days. In fact, they would be gherawing the district magistrate office in different areas. Now the BJP has been hitting back at the Trinamool Congress, stating that the Trinamool Congress is unleashing the state police on the peaceful protesters, and time and again there has been attempts by the state machinery to derail the protest that has been called in by the opposition parties.
All right, Sabyasachi, Tapas, thank you very much for both of you joining in. Of course, when it comes to the political face-off that continues, protests on the ground have nevertheless has been quite active since the time when it comes to the Supreme Court also taking suo motu cognizance of the Kolkata rape and horror